Good morning, students. This is Yogesh Chand Sharma, English PGT RPS Behrod. Let's complete our remaining part of the snake and the mirror. I didn't jump. Doctor says I didn't jump. I didn't tremble. Tremble means fever. Means due to the fear, he didn't jump and he didn't shiver. Okay, means he frozen. ये कहेंगे due to the terrible fear, he was frozen. I didn't cry out. Even he was not able to cry out. There was no time to do any such thing. The snake slithered. Slithered means slipped. The snake slipped along my shoulder and coiled around. Means he is coiled around by the shoulder, by the left arm above the elbow. The snake moved along his shoulder and his left arm above the elbow is coiled around. The hood was spread. The hood was spread out, means he spread out his hood, that is the hood, upper part of the face, and its head was hardly 3 or 4 inches from my face. Means his head, snake's head was 3-4 inches far away from the mouth of or from the face of doctor. It would not be correct to say merely that. It will not be correct to say merely. Merely means only that I sat there holding my breath. Okay? Means he sat like the statue holding his breath. I was turned to stone. As I told you, he was sat or as sitting as the stone. Means I was turned to stone, he was turned to stone, but my mind was very active, but he was active with mind. The sense is he was thinking some plan or a plan was taking place into his mind. He was active with the mind. Plan of what? How to escape from the snake or how to run away from the snake. The door opened into darkness. The room was surrounded by darkness. In the light of the lamp, I sat there like a stone. The room was surrounded by the darkness. There was lamp. It was getting burned. He sat there like a stone in front of the lamp. Imagine in the flesh, or he was imagining in the flesh. I felt then the great presence of the Creator of this world and this universe. Means at the same time when he was sitting before the lamp, having the image in the flesh, he acknowledged the presence of the Creator of this world, means God, and he was thinking about the presence of this Creator of the universe. God was there. Suppose I said something and he did not like it. Yes. He did not want to say anything that the God might not like that. I tried in my imagination to write in bright letters outside my little heart the words, "Oh God." What he wanted to write down? He write down, "Oh God." Okay. So you can see how the bright letters are coming outside from his little heart. Okay, "Oh God." Means he spoke, "Oh God," by the soul. There was some pain in my left arm. He felt pain in the left arm because his left arm was coiled around by the snake. It was as if a thick leaden rod means heavy of the glass. Okay. No, a rod made of molten fire. Yes, molten fire means made liquid by the fire. Means it seems as if his arms was as tightened as a heavy rod of the fire, okay, is pressing or squeezing his arms. Means as if this rod is producing fire, molten fire. In such a manner, he pained or he got pain. Was slowly but powerfully crushing my arm. Means it was slowly crushing, means getting the pain, but crushing my arm. Means the snake, what it coiled around his arm, slowly crushing his arm. Okay, means later on he felt much pain. Crushing my arm, squeezing his arm. Okay, the arm was beginning to be drained off. Drained off means taken all strength. Means the arm was beginning to be taken all the strength. Means what could I do? Means he didn't know what to do. He is losing all the power. Okay, gradually. At my slightest movement, the snake would strike. If he had any kind of movement, the snake would strike me. Death lurked 4 inches away. Means death is before 4 inches him. Or death, hung 4 inches away. Lurked means hang. बहुत लटकी हुई थी इसके सामने. Just before 4 inches. Suppose it struck. So what was the medicine I had to take? If the snake struck me, bite me, so he was thinking about the medicine. Even he doesn't have any medicine. So what medicine I had to take? There were no medicine in the room. So he was thinking, if the snake might have beaten me or struck me, then what should I do? Even I don't have any medicine in the room. I was but a poor, foolish and stupid doctor. At that time, he felt himself helpless, poor, foolish. I forgot my danger and smiled feebly. Feebly means silently. He smiled himself, smiling himself in the sense he smiled on his foolishness that he doesn't have any medicine in the room for recovery of him. It seemed as if God appreciated that. The snake turned its head. It looked into the mirror and saw its reflection. Suddenly what happened? It seems as if the God appreciated that thing, that the snake turned its head and it looked into the mirror and saw its reflection, or he saw his reflection. I do not claim that it was the first snake that had ever looked into a mirror. So his doctor says that I cannot claim, or I do not claim it was only the first snake who had ever looked into the mirror. He may not be first one, but he was looking into the mirror. But it was certain that the snake was looking into the mirror. But it is surely it was so. Means the doctor says I am the witness and I saw the snake was looking into the mirror. Was it admiring its own beauty? He says it may be the snake is admiring its beauty, appreciating its beauty, or was it trying to make an important decision? I don't know whether he was making his important decision about growing a mustache. About growing a mustache or using eyeshadow and mascara. Mascara is a beauty product actually to make eyelash dark. So I don't know whether he was thinking about growing the mustache, मूंछ बढ़ाने की सोच रहा हो, or about the mascara product to apply that product, eyelashes into the this beauty product mascara into the eyelashes, or wearing a vermilion, or it may be he was thinking about wearing red color powder, vermilion. Vermilion is the red color powder, सिंदूर जिसको कहते हैं. spot on its forehead. Means he wanted to get it spot on its forehead. In such a manner, doctor says that I don't know whether he was appreciating his beauty, or he wanted to grow the mustache, or he wanted to apply mascara upon his eyelashes, or he maybe wanted to apply the vermilion. I don't know. But he was looking at the mirror. I did not know anything for certain what sex was this snake. I don't know whether the snake was male or female, the doctor says. What sex? Was it male or female? I will never know, for the snake unwound, unwrapped itself from my arm. I will never know, for the snake unwound itself from my arm and slowly slithered into my lap. So he says that even I couldn't notice how the snake unwrapped my arm and slowly went away. Slithered, slowly moved. Slithered means slipped, slip karna, move karna. From there it crept, from there it slipped, slithered, crept means slithered, moved. From there it crept onto the table, it moved onto the table and moved towards the mirror and wriggled towards the mirror, moved towards the mirror. Perhaps it wanted to enjoy its reflection. It may be he wanted to appreciate his beauty, or he wanted to enjoy its reflection at closer quarters. Means from the closer distance, a short distance. Closer quarter in the sense short distance. I was no mere image cut in granite. Granite मतलब shining star. I was no mere image cut in granite. I was suddenly a man of flesh and blood. He says that when a snake unwrapped me, then I became a man of flesh and blood. Means now he feels comfortable. Still holding my breath, but still he holds his breath. He does not want to make any noise. I got up from the chair. He got up stealthily from the chair without making no noise. I quietly went out through the door into the veranda, and then quietly he went out through the door, into the veranda. Means he reached to the door by veranda, through veranda. From there I leapt. Leapt is the second form of leap. That means jump. I jumped into the yard and ran for all I was worth. Means he secured all the power what the Almighty he had, and with full strength he ran. He ran away from there. Each of us heaved sigh of relief. Each of us took a sigh of relief. Somebody asked doctor, is your wife very fat? Ironically, one of them asked, doctor, is your wife fat? No, the doctor said, God willed otherwise. My life companion is thin. My wife is thin. Ready person, ready means tall and thin. She is tall and thin with the gift of a sprinter. She has a gift of the athlete. Sprinter means an athlete who run rapidly, who run very fast. Someone else asked doctor, when you ran, did the snake follow you? The doctor replied, I ran and ran till I reached a friend's house. He said, I didn't look at back. I didn't took pause before reaching to my friend's house. I ran and ran till I reached a friend's house. Immediately I smeared. Smeared means to apply oil. Immediately means after reaching his friend's home, he applied oil all over myself, all over his body, and took a bath, and then he took a bath. I changed into fresh clothes, and then he changed clothes. The next morning at about 8:30, I took my friend and one or two others to my room. means he took one or two friends and he took them into the room to move my things from there so that they can move or they can collect the things from there. But we found we had little to carry. It means no things were over there. Some thief had removed most of my things. Some thief had removed most of his things. The room had been cleaned out. Means mostly things were stolen, but not really. The thief had left behind one thing as a final insult. For the final insult, only one thing is left in the room. What was that? I asked. I asked, what is the thing that a thief left? The doctor said, my vest, the dirty one. Because my vest was dirty, that's why they left it. The fellow had such a sense of cleanliness that the rascal, wicked fellow, could have taken it and used it after washing it with soap and water. Rascal will use after washing and cleaning it. So this is what, for a final insult, only one thing he left me, that is the vest, the dirty one. So did you see the snake the next day, doctor? Doctor, did you see the snake next day? The doctor laughed. I have never seen it since then I did not saw it. I did not see it. It was a snake which was taken with. Taken with means attracted by. The snake which was attracted by its own beauty. So he says, I didn't saw. It was a snake which was attracted by its own beauty because it saw the mirror. In such a manner, dear students, we have completed this chapter, the snake and the mirror, and I will be sharing you the question and answers. Write them down in fair, and those students who couldn't submit their homework, submit your homework on my personal number and learn all the word meanings and question answers for forthcoming exams. Alright, thank you, have a good day.